Hey there, if you've got a JBL Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker and if you have made some changes into the custom equalizer settings on the JBL Portable app, and now if you want to reset and go back to all the preset settings, let me show you two different ways how to do that. Now for that, first open up the app. As you can see, there are other preset equalizers in this list beside the custom one. If you want, you can select any of them to switch from the custom one, and that one will be active. But if you want to keep using the custom equalizer and reset it, fair enough, just tap on the custom option, tap on edit, and simply tap on this button at the top right corner, and all the setup will get back to its initial stage. Now, another way to do that is from your JBL itself. So make sure the flip is turned on. Now press and hold to this volume up and play button for 3 seconds. Your Flip 7 will turn off by itself. Now this will hard reset the device. So if you turn it back on, it'll go into pairing mode. If you repair it with the device of your choice and with the JBL app along with that, you'll see all the app settings has gone back to its original mode. And these are the two ways to reset all the preset equalizers on your JBL Flip 7. Thanks for watching.